Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to disable autoplay videos on the Facebook app. If you've ever been scrolling through your feed and found yourself bombarded by videos playing automatically, you know how annoying it can be. Fortunately, turning off this feature is quick and easy. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is your menu icon, and tapping it will take you to a list of options. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that option, and then select Settings. This will bring you to a new page where you can adjust various settings for your account. Now scroll down to the Preferences section. Here you'll find several options related to your account settings. Look for Media and tap on it. This section controls how media is handled within the app. Once you're in the Media settings, locate the Autoplay section. Here, you'll see different options regarding video playback. To stop videos from playing automatically, select Never Autoplay Videos. By doing this, you ensure that videos will only play when you choose to tap on them. And that's it. You've successfully disabled autoplay videos on Facebook. From now on, your scrolling experience will be much smoother without unexpected video interruptions. If you ever decide that you want to enable autoplay again, just follow these same steps and choose a different option in the autoplay section. Remember, you can also select an option to allow autoplay only when connected to Wi-Fi if you'd like a balance between data usage and convenience. Thank you for joining me today. Now you can enjoy a more personalized Facebook experience without those pesky autoplay videos taking over your feed.